Lycamobile UK Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing Lycamobile UK, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses. If you're interested, links to the products are included in the description. Let's get started. Lycamobile UK operates as a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, on the O2 network, providing reliable coverage across the UK with solid 4G speeds and expanding 5G access. One of its standout features is its international calling options, making it a top choice for people who frequently call abroad. Lycamobile offers some of the best international roaming deals, and its international bundles include data, texts, and minutes for use in multiple countries. This makes it particularly appealing to expats, travelers, and those with family abroad. Lycamobile also provides a variety of SIM-only plans that are affordable and cater to different needs, from basic plans to larger data allowances. The provider also has a straightforward, no-contract model, allowing users to have flexibility without long-term commitments. Who is Lycamobile UK made for? It's perfect for those who want affordable plans with international calling included. If you make a lot of international calls or travel abroad, Lycamobile's bundles offer great value and flexibility. It's also suitable for budget-conscious users looking for simple, no-frills mobile plans with decent coverage on the O2 network. However, there are a few drawbacks. While Lycamobile's international features are fantastic, its UK-only coverage is not as strong as some competitors, particularly when it comes to 5G speeds, which are still being rolled out. Additionally, its customer service has been a point of concern for some users, with complaints about slow response times and lack of support. Lastly, Lycamobile's data speeds can be inconsistent in certain areas, especially in rural regions. In conclusion, Lycamobile UK offers affordable plans, excellent international features, and flexible SIM-only options. However, its customer service and 5G availability may not meet the needs of every user. If Lycamobile sounds like the right fit for you, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth mobile operator reviews.